The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. I stumbled on a crazy strategy that's been printing money for me. I've already hit my targets, and keeping this to myself would just be greedy. So I'm going to start fresh with a brand new wallet and walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. You've probably been flipping meme coins like I used to, until I got sick of watching my money disappear into dead projects. After digging deeper, I uncovered a next-level strategy that can 2x or even 3x your cash in minutes. And guess what? I'm breaking it all down for you right now. The real play isn't trading coins, it's creating them. Most folks instantly think Pump.Fun when they hear coin launches, but that's a rookie mistake. Check this feed. In just 1 minute, you'll watch over 100 new tokens flood the market. With that kind of noise, how could yours possibly stand out? The solution? Switch to Radium. The coding knowledge needed keeps the riffraff out, which is why projects here actually have legs. Best part? I've figured out how to get you past the tech requirements. You'll be launching like a dev without writing any code. Here's the golden ticket, launchtool.io. I've been stress testing this website for weeks, and it delivers every time. Cuts through Radium's complexity like butter. Launch-ready tokens with just a few clicks. So let's dive into the actual process right now. First things first, you need a logo that gets everyone looking at your coin. Scan what's trending, viral challenges, Twitter beefs, game releases, and bake that into your design. I'm going with this TF2 meme this time. It's funny as hell. Get the dimensions right at 128 by 128 pixels, download your logo, and you're golden for what's next. Head back to Launch Tool and hit this button to link your wallet. Just approve the connection when it pops up. Time to set up your token details. I'm naming mine Derp Scout with Scout as the symbol. For the description, drop something witty that fits your theme. This is where you hook people, but I'll keep it simple this time. Don't skip uploading your sick logo, then smash that next button. Here comes the tokenomics section. The tool's default settings are ideal here, so hands off the numbers and click through. This section lets you add creator and website details. But check the price, 0.1 Solana for info nobody cares about? Hard pass. Disable this cash grab and skip ahead to the good stuff. You can connect socials here, or you can be like me and ignore them completely. My track record proves you don't need social media to make a coin pop. Just skip and keep moving. You're now facing the most consequential security decisions of your token launch. Revoke freeze authority means guaranteeing that transactions can never be arbitrarily frozen. It's the foundation of a truly decentralized asset. The revoke mint capability prevents the nightmare scenario of unlimited token creation, ensuring your carefully planned tokenomics can't be sabotaged later. Most importantly, revoke update permanently locks your smart contract's essential functions, making it impossible to change the rules after investors come on board. These protections form what the market recognizes as basic requirements for a trustworthy token. Savvy crypto participants have learned to instantly detect and avoid projects where any of these safeguards are missing. To pass this crucial test of legitimacy, you must launch with all 3 security measures fully intact and operational. After clicking on Launch My Token Now, you'll see a familiar wallet approval request. Sign it to finalize your token's creation. That's it. Your crypto asset is now officially deployed on-chain. But we're not done yet. Head over to SolScan using this link to conduct your first authenticity check, where every detail of your new token will be publicly visible and permanently recorded on the Solana blockchain. Congratulations! SolScan's verification confirms your token has successfully been minted onto the Solana blockchain. However, to transition from a created asset to a liquid, tradable token, we must execute one final technical activation that will enable full market operations. No token achieves true utility without liquidity infrastructure. By creating your liquidity pool, you're deploying the smart contract framework that facilitates market operations, enabling price determination, swap execution, and the full spectrum of trading activity essential for a functional cryptocurrency. So click on Create Liquidity Pool to get it going. The liquidity pool setup begins on Radium's interface. After verifying your wallet connection, connect manually if necessary, you'll select your Memecoin as the base token by importing its address from Launch Tool. I'll input Scout as the symbol and Derp Scout as the name when prompted. Adjust these values for your specific token. Once added, you'll see your token's full 1 billion supply. We'll commit 900 million to the liquidity pool, maintaining the standard ratio that ensures healthy initial market conditions. For quote token selection, Solana is the undisputed standard. Maximize your Solana contribution to demonstrate skin in the game. This builds immediate trust. Allocate at least 1 to 2 Solana for liquidity depth, while reserving 0.2 Solana for protocol costs. Next is the fee tier. I usually go with 2%, but you can try 0.5% too. Now all that's left is clicking Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirming the transaction. With this, your coin is live and ready for trading. Our token is already live on Photon's trending list. Prime real estate, with thousands of active traders monitoring these listings 24/7. This immediate visibility is game-changing. Now let's analyze our chart properly. I'll demonstrate the most effective way to track price action and liquidity in real time. Here's how the pros track new listings. Open Deck Screener and pull up any token chart. Now for the power move. Swap that contract address in the URL with your Launch Tool token address. Boom. Instant analytics dashboard for your project. Watch the liquidity metrics like a hawk. They're your objective exit signal. Those early transactions, mostly arbitrage bots doing their thing, focus on the real volume patterns instead. Stay cool and periodically check your Radium position. Just refresh the standard interface view. Your liquidity position should appear here soon, though remember blockchain settlements aren't instantaneous. Typical confirmation times range 10 to 15 minutes during normal network activity. This is completely normal. The system is working as designed even if it feels slow. It took some time, but take a look at that. We got our first nice buy for almost $69. That's 0.5 Solana secured already. That translates to over $460 for the market cap and almost $600 for the liquidity. That's 100% growth in just 15 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, those numbers are pretty good. Well, this launch has been pretty slow. It's been almost 30 minutes. But we got a $200 buy, which is awesome. The market cap jumped all the way to $1,200, and liquidity is over 1K now. Honestly, even though we have a couple people selling over here, we're still getting really good volume, and these numbers look really nice. Okay, this is it. $200 right here. Market cap is over 3,000, and the liquidity hasn't even updated yet. But we can't wait for it. We gotta hurry and take our profits right now. First, access your Radium portfolio and verify your wallet connection. Navigate to the standard view, where your LP positions are displayed. Identify your stake and click the minus icon to initiate withdrawal. Slide the allocation bar to maximum. This reveals your full redeemable amount. Key tip: focus on the Solana equivalent value shown, as this represents your actual realized returns. When prepared, execute the remove liquidity action and sign the transaction to complete the process. Transaction confirmed. Funds are now securely in your wallet. Open your Phantom extension to see those impressive gains staring back at you. This isn't luck, it's a proven system. The methodology works so consistently that I could launch another token immediately and replicate these exact results with proper execution. Big disclaimer, this video is made for merely educational purposes. I'm not affiliated in any way to Launchtool, Radium, Photon, or any of the platforms used in this video. With that said, I gotta tell you that nobody knows for how long this method will keep working, so I wouldn't miss the chance while it's still giving great results.